sale. Cheap. Man's best friend. Phooey. Take you home? Ah, get lost, doggy. Ooh, that's smart!
Take you home? I can do tricks. Well, well. Watch closely. Okay. Sawing a dog in half. Big deal. Anybody can do that. Terrific! Doggy, you just got yourself a home. Here's your new home, Duffy. Wait here, I'll be right back. Shh! Hop in the suitcase. I'll sneak you in. Hello, Mrs. Meanie.
What's in that suitcase?
Why, it's my lunch. Down, lunch. Down, down, down. Nice day, Mrs. Meanie.
I just knew you had a dog in that suitcase. No dogs allowed in this house. And don't you ever dare bring that dog here again. Ha-ha! Oh!
Uh-oh, I better hide you before she gets back.
Woodpecker, open this door.
Lie down, Duffy. I'll hide you with this rug. Oh, no, no.
Open the door. You hear? Open the door. You can't fool me, Mr. Woodpecker. You have a dog in there, and I know it. Open up. Do you hear? I'll take care of you and that dog. Just wait till I get my hands on you. All right, where's that dog? Where is that dog?
Nobody here but us woodpeckers.
Ha-ha! So, you thought you could pull the wool over my eyes.
Now remember, Duffy, keep quiet and keep smiling. Get it? Just got married.
Married?
Meet the missus.
Well, congratulations. May I kiss the bride?
Certainly. We'll celebrate. I'll get the food. You set the table. Hey, Duffy, take it easy. Take it easy. You're wrecking the house.
gracious. Married 10 minutes and fighting already.
Are you happy, Duffy?